Let's Learn Math, Filipino edition. Ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay kung paano mag-add and subtract ng algebraic expressions. Pero bago tayo magpatuloy, alarin muna natin kailan ba nagiging ang dalawang terms ay similar. So magsimula na tayo. Given an algebraic expression expressed as product of two or more symbols, each of the symbols is said to be a coefficient of the others. A constant coefficient is called numerical coefficient, and a variable coefficient is called literal coefficient. So consider yung 2xy. Doon sa ating 2xy na algebraic expression, okay, ang mga symbols na meron tayo ay 2, x, and y. So ang constant coefficient natin ay 2, so ang 2 ay numerical coefficient. At yung variable coefficient natin ay yung xy. Or each term in algebraic expression is separated by plus or minus. The sign preceding a term is also a part of that term. Two terms are similar if they have the same literal coefficient of the same exponents. So otherwise, we will call them as dissimilar. So consider natin yung algebraic expression na nasa ibaba. Ilang terms meron ulit yung ating algebraic expression? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we have 8 terms. Let's now simplify. Yung dalawang similar terms ay 3x squared at negative 2x squared. When we add or combine these two similar terms, okay, we will get x squared. So paano nga ba tayo mag-combine ng similar terms? What we're going to do is to add their numerical coefficients and then copy yung literal coefficient with its exponents. So here, ang mga numerical coefficients ay 3 and negative 2. So kung nahirapan kayong mag-add ng mga integers, pwede nyong isipin na ang positive number as something na pera nyo or hawak ninyo at yung negative number ay utang ninyo. And then you will ask yourself, may pera ka bang naiwan or may utang kang dapat bayaran? So here we have 3, may pera kang 3, and then may utang kang 2 kasi negative 2. So if you have 3 and may utang kang negative 2, anong meron ka? Utang or pera? So meron kang pera na 1 na matitira. So, ang sum ng 3x squared and negative 2x squared ay x squared. Kung ang coefficient ng ating term ay 1, pwede na natin hindi ilagay yun. Now, punta tayo sa 4y squared. So, dun sa ating 4y squared na term, positive 4y squared, wala siyang similar term dun sa ating expression. So, siya na lang mismo yung ilalagay natin doon. Ganun din yung ating negative 3xy. Okay. Doon sa 7z squared, ang term na similar sa kanya ay negative 9z squared. So this time, we combine 7 and 9. So 7, may pera kang 7. Negative 9, may utang kang 9. So 7 and negative 9, we have 7 and utang na 9. May utang ka or pera? So may utang kang 2. So you have negative 2. Kasi utang na 2. Negative 2z squared yung ating kanyang literal coefficient at exponent ng literal coefficient. So x, wala siyang similar term dyan. Okay. So take note, yung x squared at saka yung x ay hindi parehong term, or yung 3x squared at saka yung x. Kasi magkaiba sila ng exponents. And just copy yung 8y squared. So yan na yung simplified form ng ating algebraic expression. So we consider the following. Okay. We want to add the following. Okay, let's add the following algebraic expressions. We have 3 algebraic expressions here, namely 6x minus 3y plus 11z. Yung isa ay negative 4x minus 2y plus 2z, and another is negative 9x minus 8y minus 15z. So, dito sa mga i-add natin, alin dyan yung mga similar terms? So, dun sa ating first na addend, yung may x ay 6x. Ang mga similar terms sa kanya ay negative 4x at saka negative 9x. So, we just add the coefficients or the numerical coefficients. So, 6, positive yan, may 6 pesos ka. Negative 4, may utang kang 4. So, 6 at negative 4, 6, may utang kang 4. Ilan pa? May pera ka or may utang? So, you have 2. I-add mo pa yung negative 9. 2 and utang na 9, so may utang kang 7. Kaya meron tayong negative 7x. So, sa mga natira, ano pa yung mga similar terms? Negative 3y, negative 2y, and negative 8y. Here we have utang na 3, utang na 2, utang na 8. So, puro utang. Anong meron ka? Utang na 3 at utang na 2, utang na 5. Utang na 8, idagdag pa natin yung utang mong 8, so meron kang utang na 13. So, we have negative 13y. Ano pa yung naiiwang terms? So, yung mga may z, we have 11z, 2z, and negative 15z. 11z. May pera kang 11, may pera kang 2, utang na 15. So, 11 and 2, pag in-add natin, we have 13. 13 and then utang na 15, may utang kang 2. So, we have negative 2z. At ito na yung sum ng ating mga algebraic expressions na given. Let's consider another example. Okay, we subtract negative 16ab from 4ab. So take note, yung pagkaka-phrase ng ating statement, you're going to subtract negative 16ab from 4ab. To write it into a mathematical expression, dapat mauna yung 4ab sa negative 16ab. Kasi subtract from, ibawas sa. So, pag sinabi mong subtract 2 from 5, ibawas mo yung 2 sa 5. So, ganun din yung gagawin mo dito. So, ibinabawas natin yung negative 16ab sa 4ab. So, to simplify this, nakikita nyo yung ating ibinabawas na negative 16ab and then may negative dun sa harapan niya. So what we're going to do is to remove the grouping, kailangan i-multiply natin yung negative dito. At pag i-multiply mo yan, yung operation mo na will become addition. So negative and negative will get a positive. So addition na ang meron tayo. Now, are these two terms similar? So ang ating literal coefficient ay AB, and AB, they are similar. So we're just going to add the numerical coefficients. 4 and 16. Parehong positive. May 4 ka, may 16 ka. We have 20. So copy mo lang yung literal coefficient, you have 20AB. Now, punta tayo sa mas mahirap na example. Remove the grouping symbols and simplify. So observe muna natin yung ating given. Doon sa nakagroup na 2y minus 3, ano yung nasa harap? That's positive. So walang magbabago sa sign niya pag inalis natin yung grouping symbol. However, yung 5x plus 3, negative yung nasa harap niya. So, what should we do here is to distribute this negative to each of the terms inside the grouping symbol. So, ang mangyayari yan, kung positive siya dati, magiging negative, at kung negative, magiging positive. At itong operation mo na dito magiging plus na or addition na. So, let's remove the grouping symbol now. What we have muna, 4x, nakopy lang yung 4x. So, tinanggal natin yung grouping ng 2y minus 3 dahil positive naman yon. Kinopya lang natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. At magkakaroon tayo ng, kapag dinistribute mo yung negative, sabi nga natin kanina, negative 5x. So, addition na lahat ng mangyayari dito. Tapos, i-distribute din natin yung negative dun sa second term sa loob ng parenthesis, will get negative 3. So, ang gagawin na lang natin, addition na to ngayon, i-simplify na lang natin siya. So, saan nakuha yung negative x? We combine the similar terms. That is 4x and negative 5x. Take note, kasama yung sign na nasa harapan. So, you have 4 and utang na 5. So, anong meron ka? Utang na 1. Kaya negative. Dahil 1 yung numerical coefficient, pwede mo nang hindi ilagay. Meron bang term na similar sa 2y? Wala, so copy mo na lang yan. Now, negative 3 and another negative 3. I-add mo lang yan. So, utang na 3 and another utang na 3. May utang kang 6. Utang na 6, so you have negative 6. Now, let's consider this example. Kung kanina, ang nasa harapan lang ay may negative lang, this time may number na sa harapan ng negative. Pati ito, negative 2 times yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So kung may mga ganyang grouping symbol, unahin natin yung pinakaloob ng mga grouping symbol ng parenthesis or ng bracket. At ang pinakaloob dito ay itong part na to. So what we're going to do is to not only distribute 2 dun sa terms na nasa loob ng ating parenthesis, kundi distribute mo yung buong negative 2. Tapos addition na yan later. Okay? So let's do that. Kung mapapansin nyo, nung dinistribute natin yung negative 2, anong nangyari sa kabila? Aralin natin yung solution. So, we multiply negative 2 to y, and we'll get here negative 2y. Okay lang yon. Pero don't forget, dinidistribute mo yung negative 2, imumultiply mo siya sa 5x. Negative 2 multiplied by 5 will be negative 10x. Okay? Kasi, i-multiply pa natin yung x doon. So, you have negative 10x. Now, meron na tayo nitong expression na ito ngayon. I-distribute naman natin ulit yung nasa labas pa, which is negative 11. Isa-isahin natin ha. Take note, kasama tong negative na na-distribute. Tapos later on, addition na lang yung nasa loob. Yung susunod, no? So negative 11, i-multiply mo siya sa 4y, you get negative 44y. So minultiply mo lang yung mga literal coefficients with literal coefficients. Tapos isikapin mo yung mga variables. Negative 11 times 4, negative 44y. So now, negative 11, imumultiply mo siya sa second term na nasa loob ng bracket. At ano yung term na yon? Hindi lang 2y, it is negative 2y. So negative 11 times negative 2y, magiging positive 22y na siya. And negative 11 times, again, negative 10x, okay, negative and then negative, magiging positive 110x na siya. And then what we're going to do is simplify na lang itong nandito. Now, let's do it. So ano ang similar terms dito sa ating expression? We have 23x. It is similar to 110x. So we get 133x. Negative 44y is similar to 22y. So negative 44 plus 22, ano yun? Utang na 44. Tapos pera mo is 22. Anong meron ka? May utang ka, may pera ka. may matitira ka pang utang na 22. So copy mo yung literal coefficient. So you get negative 22y. And ito na yung simplified form ng ating expression.